Welcome to an exciting journey diving into IPTV's world. First, explore 2TV, an unrivaled IPTV provider offering endless entertainment options. Need assistance? Meet Nancy, ready to make your experience seamless. Contacting her is straightforward, as the link you need is in the description below. Before diving deeper, let's explore what sets IPTV apart. It's the future of viewing, delivering on-demand access like never before. It's time to dive into the setup process. With easy steps right from home, experience the magic of effortless installation. Explore a vast range of channels available, from live sports to your favorite shows. The options are limitless, fitting every taste. In conclusion, IPTV is a game changer for entertainment enthusiasts. Upgrade your viewing experience today and discover exciting new favorites.